According to a survey, only 5% of people have never felt guilty about buying something. The majority of us have regretted a purchase at some point in our lives, and a lot of this has to do with how marketers use psychological hacks and cognitive biases to make you do that. This is another compilation of 13 psychological tricks marketers use to make you buy more. Number 1. Touch and mimicry. Studies show that a woman's touch, like a gentle tap on the shoulder, will make customers feel more secure in spending money. Additionally, having a salesperson mimic or mirror your gestures will make you more willing to trust them. Number 2. Odd and even pricing. Consumers are more likely to choose a price ending in an odd number that's just below an even whole one, like $3.97. Number 3. Show prices in installments rather than total. Consumers tend to get angered on smaller prices subconsciously, even if they know the total price. This is like going to a furniture store and being told the dresser is $100 and the bed frame is $150 and the mattress is only $125, instead of being told your complete purchase is $275. Number 4. Remove the pain of paying. When making a purchase, you feel better about it when you pay up front. Uber revolutionized the taxi industry by having consumers pay up front instead of at the end of the ride. This gives riders a less painful and more memorable experience. Number 5. Phase the discounts. When people miss a big sale, they get disappointed. However, if it miraculously is on sale again, but at a slightly less discounted price, people may jump to buy it out of fear that they'll miss their chance again. Number 6. Small daily equivalents. You may have had a marketer tell you to look at your fairly large purchase as a broken down version of how much it costs for you daily. This is like saying, this will be a cup of coffee a day for a month to make it seem more affordable. Number 7. Red prices. Studies show that men, in general, seem to process ads more quickly, and they're more likely to buy if the price is displayed in red. Ads use color as a visual heuristic and make it seem like red equals discount. Number 8. Focus on time rather than money. Humans are emotional, and they want to enjoy their time in life. This is why you'll love using our product will work better than our product is cheaper. Number 9. Calming music. Quiet, calm, and slow music encourage shoppers to spend more time in a store. Catchy, upbeat music makes shoppers feel connected and happy. Alternatively, fast and rushed music speeds up the heart rate, moving people out of restaurants faster. Number 10. Bright, colorful entrances. Stores oftentimes fill their entrances with colorful merchandise, like clothing or fresh produce, to brighten moods and encourage more spending. Number 11. Arbitrary coherence. Include an expensive menu most people won't buy anyways. By having a $50 fish on your menu, diners are more likely to shell out on $30 for other items because the cost seems reasonable in comparison. Now you have consumers spending maybe 30% more than they would if they didn't see that $50 fish. Number 12. Buy one, get one free. BOGO compels people to buy something at a full price and often makes them spend more money than intended. In reality, prices are set high enough to cover the free item, and these type of deals have replaced half-off sales, even though half-off sales benefit consumers more. Number 13. Social proof. By having proof or reviews that a product or service is excellent, people are more willing to try it out. Testimonials earn trust. However, reviews are not always what they seem. They can be edited, paid for, bad reviews can be taken out, and obviously the most realistic ones will be shown at the top of your feed or on the actual package of your product. And finally, our bonus, number 14. Expose consumers to high, unrelated prices. An experiment helped sell out an entire music store's CDs by changing the prices of sweatshirts in the shop. Every 10 minutes, the vendor switched up the sweatshirt price to $80 instead of $10. By doing this, they got consumers to spend more on CDs that cost relatively nothing compared to an $80 sweatshirt. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, check out part 1 linked up here, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like this content.